But again, governance, transparency, privacy data issues, we still need to be very careful of that. Other industries and tech companies and other industries could probably go, evolution could be faster than us. But the thing is, the problem with us as lawyers, or the issue with us with generative AI is that any contracts or any issues, and you've probably been listening or hearing the news, especially in the States, and we've got some cases in Canada too now, where either a lawyer used cases that were hallucinations instead, or they're copyright issues. Well, who in actual fact has the creative authority when generative AI is used? So where's all that? Those questions are still going to land on our tables because our legislation and our laws have not changed yet. And so you still have to interpret these new scenarios and everything in the context of what an existing law is right now. And at the same time, you have to not only protect your client from liability, but you have to protect your firms from liability. So being on the generative AI bandwagon, a lot of law firms are looking at this shiny new toy and are in the storm of generative AI, but still sitting on the fence and saying, okay, do we internally innovate further using our own, generative AI or agentic AI right now and create something? But again, there's still, you got to be careful what you feed it. And you cannot put client information into it. You can't do all that kind of information. Whereas Counsel Your Docs is a platform where we have no data access from law firms. I built it that way, that there'd be a firewall always. And if someone
Mhm.
wants to use AI to leverage, which they don't technically need to do so, but if they should want to, they could. But again, the information is protected. You're building it. It's really just an efficient tool to help lawyers to be able to do things confidently, and even for a user not to worry. So that's kind of how I built it. And so that's why I get the feedback that I do. Like, this makes sense. You've created your own lane that's unique. And sometimes when you have something that's so unique, it takes longer to build, and you've got to just keep going with it, right?